Text can tell a lot about who your audience is and what you're trying to create. Changing the text color is as important. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in Canva. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we got some texture and it's pretty boring looking. So we're going to go ahead and select it. And once you've selected it, you're going to go up to the top of your screen and you'll see a little A with a bunch of multiple colors underneath it. You're going to select this, and here you can actually change the color of the text. So the first thing you can see here is the document colors. So it immediately gives you all the colors that are featured within this document. For now, it's just black and white. You can also just go here and you can add a new color. Now, they do give you, of course, the standard colors down over here. They give you some solid colors, but if you want to really customize your color, you can go ahead and use this dial to choose the actual color range. And then you can choose your specific color. The next thing you can do is enter a color code over here. So as you can see, as you're moving this about, it actually has individual codes. And if you have a specific code that you would like to use, maybe it's on another document, maybe it's in another program, you can actually just dial that code in. Another way is using the color picker. So a color picker is fantastic because once you use this color picker, you can literally pick any color that's on your screen. So if you go down to the bottom over here, you can see that I've got that red. And you can actually change the color right over there. So if you now go down, you can see that there is a brand kit. Now, if you have the premium version of Canva, you can just add colors to your brand kit so that you can keep all of your stuff in a line with your brand. And then you go at the bottom, you can now change all of the color that you previously had to your new color, so you don't have to go ahead and change everything individually. You can just tap on change all and everything will now change color. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.